Good day guys, how are you doing? I trust you are doing well. So this is Coach Icon, your crypto coach from Nigeria. So today I'll be making video for us on how to set up the fully auto mode of Smart Capital Trading Bot. So which means the case whereby the bot will be able to trade for you automatically even when you are sleeping without lifting a finger. So once we've set up the fully auto mode, the bot will be able to keep working forever. Normally we have the semi-auto mode, which costs minimum of $90 gas and minimum of trading capital of $100 in Binance.
While we have the fully auto mode, which is $400 gas upward with $500 trading capital upward in Binance. And another thing is that don't forget that your trading capital and your profits is 100% in your control all the time. You have full access to them because they are going to be inside Binance, not inside the bot. So which means full safety over your trading capital and profit. The only funds you are sending to your bot is the gas fee, which is the fuel the bot consumes whenever it's trading for you on your behalf and make profit. So now to set up the fully auto mode, what you firstly need to do is that go into your Chrome, then go into your Smart Capital Bot. I'm already on my Smart Capital Bot dashboard. First thing, click on the menu. When you click on the menu, then you come to Smart Capital Bot area, click on it. Don't tamper with your API. You don't need to tamper with your API. Then you select Trading Bot Strategy here. Click on the Trading Bot Strategy. Can we see this is Smart Capital AI? This is the fully auto mode. Smart Spot Bot is semi-auto mode for spot trading, while Smart Futures Bot is semi-auto mode for futures trading. But the fully auto mode, it is Smart Capital AI. Then click on Smart Capital AI, then click on bind. So when you click on bind, you click on the OK. It's already loading. The page is already loading. So now it's take you to this page. So your spot balance will be showing here, while your futures trading balance in Binance will be showing here. Don't forget I said $500 trading capital minimum, which means on your spot balance in Binance there must be $250 there, while on your futures balance in Binance there must also be $250 there. Now let me say if your trading capital is more than $500, that is maybe you have like $1,000 as an example, and you are the type that you prefer trading future signals most, then make sure that you only put $250 minimum on your spot balance in Binance. Then you put the remaining $750 in your future balance page of your Binance account. So which means the bot will be able to carry more trade for you on futures, based on the fact that futures is where you put majority of your trading capital inside Binance. So, and if you are somebody with like $10,000 capital and you feel like okay, you want to trade futures most of the time, then you can put like $9,000 in your futures inside your Binance, then maybe just $1,000 or $500 in your spot balance inside your Binance. So the point I'm trying to pull out here was just that inside your spot balance in Binance there must be $250 there minimum, while inside your futures too there must be $250 and above. You can decide to put $10,000, while you can decide to put $10,000 on future, while you only put $250 on spot. As far as there is $250 above too on spot, you are good to go. So now first thing you have to do now, when you reach this after you reach this page, now what you have to make sure is just that scroll down, then you see this auto mode button. Make sure you turn it on. If your own is off, make sure you turn it on first. The moment you turn it on, it will load. So my own has already been turned on. Then after you turn it on, then input your working capital here. So your working capital is just the amount you want the bot to be using to enter each trade when signal comes. So let's say your own is $1,000 now. At least $1,000 minimum, you divide it into 5 minimum if you're having $1,000 inside your Binance, which means $750 on future, $250 on spot. Then which means if you divide it into 5, that's $200 per entry for you, $200 in 5 places. That's the meaning. Then this your working capital, just input the $200 here like that. So now it means any trade the bot want to open for you on fully auto mode, it will open them with $200. And don't forget, the reason why we are dividing that money into 5 and not into 2 was that so that the bot will be able to do looping for you properly if market manipulation happen. And also in some cases the bot can even open like 2-3 trade for you if signal comes. If batch of signal comes together, it can happen 2 or 3 trade for you with $200 per trade. In some cases like that. while in some cases it will only open one trade for you with $200 and do looping on them if looping opportunity shows up. So that's the reason why we are not going to input all $1,000 or input $500 out of 1,000. No, if you're having 1,000, just divide it into 5. If your own is 500, that is, you have $500 capital in Binance, which is 250 on spot, 250 on futures, then you can input maybe like $80 here. $80 is okay. So which means the bot will be able to do open 3 trade for you inside futures and open 3 trade for you on spot if signal come, or open 1 trade for you inside futures and do 2 more looping, join the trade, which means 3 trade on a single coin like that. So that's the meaning. So that's the reason why I said you divide your money, divide it. The more bigger your money, the more bigger the division should be. If your money is $1,000, you can divide it into 5 or 6. Then you input the answer as your working capital. If your money is like $5,000 upward, that is, you are trading with $5K, $10K, then you can divide your money into 10, 15. So which means even on your working capital here now, you can just put like $500, yeah, as your working capital. If your trading capital is from $5K upward, you can put like $500 or $400 as your working capital here. So after you input your working capital, then you click on update. Don't forget, the moment you reach this page, firstly turn on this auto mode. After you turn on this auto mode button, turn it on, then input your working capital. After you input your working capital, then you click on update. You don't need to click on don't click on start smart bot, only click on update after you've input your working capital. So the moment I click on update now, you will see my working capital will be updated to $400. Can you see? So the moment you click on the update, then you are done, nothing more. So what you just have to do is to leave this page. You can go back to the normal home page of this bot, or you can go back to whatever you are doing, maybe your normal daily work. So that's all you need to do to set up fully auto mode. Don't forget, turn this button on first, then input your working capital, then click on update. After you click on update, the page will load and save up the update for you. So the moment you save up, anytime when the signal comes, it will start taking trade for you automatically, even when you are not online. Even when you turn off your phone, it will take trade. And don't forget, if you want your bot to do more futures trading than spot, then it means majority of your money have to be inside your future balance in your Binance. That is, maybe you have $5,000 and you want your bot to be doing plenty trade on futures than spot. Then out of your $5,000, you can just put like $500 on spot balance in Binance, while you put the remaining $4,500 in your future balance in Binance. So it's as simple as that. So thank you very much. See you on our next videos.